why is this topic really relevant to us? Apart from, of course, you want to manifest, it's really because in the system of Magic Grove, we have divided our curriculums, di ba? What's our first curriculum, gani? We have
Mastermind.
Mastermind. The Mastermind talks about how we can address our mind and how we'll be able to train our mind to manifest. And then on the second part, on the second module that we have what we call the Royal Mystics, or
Mhm.
the favorite part ni Rio. Mga
Favorite
magic na
oo.
ang mga magic, mga barang-bara, love spell, na diha. And then on the last part, we have the CM, or the ceremonial magicians, which is basically, high magic. Now,
Mm.
at the very core of the system of Magic Grove, ang foundation yun niya is your mind.
True.
That's why it's called a mastermind module. You have to train your mind, you have to master your mind per se, para yung ka mo progress to the second level, which is the magical part. Because even in magic, you have to make sure that your mind is well organized. The definitions inside your mind is well organized. Diba?
True.
Yeah. Well, I was just gonna say sad na kanang sa history sa concept sa ato ang mastermind module sad we study science of mind, which in 1920 our lolo Ernest Holmes founded a spiritual movement called religious science, and sa iyahang spiritual philosophy he mentioned na ang subconscious mind nato accepts beliefs without arguments. So it doesn't question, it doesn't push back. Whatever you feed it repeatedly, it just takes it and treats it as a truth. And then so if naaka atong mga negative belief system nimo without knowing those are negative belief system, your subconscious mind lang just accepts it and
It takes a life of
basically
its own.
and so once the subconscious holds that as a fact, it starts producing experiences that matches it. So mo na to siya na naanay mga environmental external world kanang experiences nimo na dili ka ganahan and you're not happy with it. So mao na sa to relate sa giingon ni Guruji na it's important for us sa MG that we master our mind. We able to identify these mga negative belief systems and we able to approach it correctly.
Everything starts in the mind. Everybody experiences the world through your mind, like, right?
Exactly. And I
Everything's
also would
there.
like to, I would also like to go back to katubitong your brain is wired to
Mhm.
look at things, which is very, very important, especially to the to people nga who's not very science nerd as I am. In neuroscience, as early as in the 1990s, the neuroscientists actually recognized that our repeated thoughts actually strengthen some pathways. If you're familiar with, I think,
Yes.
MG student, no MG student I know is not familiar of the word neuroplasticity,
Yes. Myelin
right?
sheet.
Myelin sheath,
Cheats.
our predictive processing, our confirmation bias, anything that basically that just tells you that your brain can be wired to look at things negatively, which is kuyaw, di ba?
Trainable man itong brain.
Exactly.
People,
Oo.
speaking of brain, that's why our childhood is very, very important to consider when dealing with negative belief systems, because when we are young, probably below 7 years old, our brain is still developing, and our childhood experiences murag musud siya while murag siya ma-ingrain sa system while the system is still developing, so murag siya ma-part of it. Makaingon gud ko nga our childhood experiences dictates most of the time or all the time what our negative belief systems are during adulthood. But the thing is, we don't stop there. The brain still continues to adapt and change beyond that. Mao na siya nga, once we get to a certain age, when we realize what our traumas are during childhood, is not the end of the world. We can change it. Awareness lang, recognizing, realizing what those are when we were young. So muna siya, the work starts when we realize them. in this adult age.
Your negative belief system actually may come from different sources. It could be your childhood trauma, childhood treatment, familial and social kanang pressures or traumas or anything. It could be, no? And the only way to find out is really to start talking about it.
Lisod lang jud ihawa if ang imuhang environment is already the effects of the negative belief system.
True.
Yes, true. That
Once
is
said,
true.
Yeah.
Also, it's a case-to-case basis, pero I also agree nga if it's being reinforced around you every time, sad ba? So you have to be careful what you surround yourself
Yeah.
with, I guess. Kasi our environment, sad, is influential sad bitaw.
Yeah, so the key thing, Jude, is identifying, knowing that there is something wrong, and identifying what is the reason. So, mao dyan na siya ka. Unless na
Correct.
kay awareness, it will continue repeating. And then, mag-ala na
Yeah.
lang ka sa imong self na, anong man, pirmi ko, kuan.
You cannot defeat
Buwagan,
something you're not
ala.
able to recognize.